TikTok is back, but something feels off. People on RedNote are buzzing about rumors that TikTok's servers have moved to Meta. It's kind of like walking into your room and feeling like something's changed. Maybe your charger isn't where you left it. It's familiar, but not quite the same. It's okay. Anyway, RedNote is good to stay in, isn't it? RedNote now supports a translation plugin. But if you have more advanced video translation needs, BlipCut has you covered.
大人们等不及了，今天来吃个藏在老居民楼下人均30的街边小火锅，记住这个位置。
First, save the video you want to translate and head to BlipCut's online video translator. Click the link below, then hit Try Free Online to start a new project. Drop your video to upload it. And choose your target language from over 130 options, including different accents. How cool is that? Next, pick a voice for the translated video. Personally, I like to keep the original sound of the video for consistency. Once everything's set, click Translated and let BlipCut work its magic. In just a few seconds, your video will be translated into a new language and ready to go.
Remember this spot, it's right under this kind of old building. They really have a wide variety, plus all sorts of snacks. Just give me one of everything. Their hot pot ingredients are really generous. Spicy pig's trotters, huge trotters, beef and tofu hot pot with large slices of beef, and the flavorful roasted duck hot pot. Don't forget to throw in some instant noodles. Finally, let's enjoy some delicious snacks together.
Catch you in the next one.